find? Is that a seed shell? Yeah? What you doing with it? Are you filling it up? What did we find, Sylvia? Pick it up. What kind of seed do you think that is?
Acorn seed.
It's not an acorn. Do you want to put it in your backpack? We could take it with us and see if we can figure out what it is. Yeah? But now we know what kind of seed came in these little pods, right? Because we've seen a lot of these, right? Wow, that's cool. Oh, look! What's this? This looks like it might be an acorn seed. Do you want to put that in your pack too? What kind of bird do we keep hearing today? It's going. What kind is going tap, 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 tap?
Woodpecker.
Do we hear a very loud woodpecker? Maybe we can find the woodpecker too, huh? Okay.